Hello viewers, see this is a very old masjid. It has been 40 years completed. That's why the masjid condition is not good and roof is leaking in the rainy season. That's why we are doing some activity on the roof for making the leakage by my uncle. My uncle is pulling the sand, concrete, cement right now, and see the condition of masjid inside. You can see the ceiling area became very worst, and the wall area some black mark, green mark, while the because of the dropping water in the rainy season. See, this is the black mark. So it is very bad. We cannot perform prayer while raining season. So the work is going on the roof. See, this is the concrete. We are going to mix it properly, and my uncle, he is mixing the cement concrete properly, and see this, he is also doing the job. He's also making the leakage area, and see, he is multi-talented. He knows how to repair, and all leakage area he constructed by himself. See, this is the minar has been broken. Some places also still remaining to work. You can see, and see, we need to repair this also in the future. And my uncle is doing work, and this is the second minar also broken. This is the very good leakage repairing has been done by my uncle. This is the slope, and very good and very strong, because the mix the cement and sand and concrete uh, is very strong. The ratio of the cement, concrete, and sand is very strong. That's why